Hi, I'm Robin. Welcome to Human Wellness Initiative. Allow me to present the single greatest exercise for back pain. It's called ELDOA L5-S1, which is an exercise that relieves tension at the base of the spine and creates space within the joint. The best part is it only takes 1 minute. All we need is the wall and the floor to get started. So we're going to begin by sitting down beside the wall and fall backwards, letting your feet point up. Go ahead and shuffle closer to the wall so your butt has contact and the legs are pointing straight up. Want the heels above the hips and rotate the legs inward. The arms can reach overhead and press with the palms. So we have two actions, heels pushing up while the hips push into the ground and pushing away with the palms while the butt pushes into the wall. And we hold this for 1 minute. Active feet, pressing the heels up and the toes can pull back. Active hands, pressing with the palms and the fingers extend back. Pressing the hips down into the ground. You can press the low back down into the ground as well. Reaching your hips into the wall, tucking your chin, getting long from the back of the neck. Your eyes can look at your lap or your knees. And reach with the hands and reach with the heels. Feel yourself growing in both directions. Try and relax the face. Remember to smile. And we're going to release this one limb at a time. You can relax your right arm, relax your left arm, relax your right leg, relax your left leg, and help yourself down. That's the ELDOA L5-S1. And after all that, have a great day.